Welcome. In this video we are going to start a new series, and this series is about setting up teleport on your Linux machine. So basically what I'm going to do is to open up a terminal and first make it a little bit bigger, and I want to use the green on black. Great. So currently my IP address is the following. So what I want to do is to go ahead and edit my host file, and here I would like to add the IP with the teleport.example.com and tele.example.com. Now, once this is complete, what I would like to do is to create a repository file under the etc.yum with the teleport.repo. Now I need the content of this in my teleport file. So that's basically going to be copied, and I want to insert it here. And now, oh great, I should have done it with sudo. So now what I can do is to install teleport. So you can configure it to use Let's Encrypt for certificates, but what I want to do is to use it on my local network, and in order to do that, what I have to do is to create with the OpenSSL genrsa privkey.pem and use the OpenSSL request new x509 key privkey and full chain.pem, and I will just leave these empty. Now I have these two files, and after the installation completes, what I have to do is to move the PEM files under the var lib teleport folder. And if I check the var lib teleport with sudo, I should see the full chain PEM and the privkey PEM. Alright, so now what needs to be done is to configure teleport. So sudo su, and yeah, from key file and file. So why can't I do this? Alright, then just remove it. And let's redo the previous step. So I will need the genrsa and this one. And now I would like to move the PEM files to the var lib teleport. And now I would like to configure it. And basically, it was a permission issue. What I would like to do is to use the systemctl enable teleport and start teleport. If we check the status, you will see that it is running. And if I open up my browser and navigate to the https teleport.example.com, after the certificate error is acknowledged, I can continue. So now I would like to create not create here, but rather on the console. So here I can create a user, and I want this user's name to be ReaperPie, and the logins should be ReaperPie as well. And if I open up this link, I can initialize my user. Hold on. I have downloaded the Microsoft Authenticator app on my phone. And here, if I give this the password, I can go ahead and scan my account. So with the scan QR code. And now, if I issue the code which is 7786524, then I can go to the dashboard. And here, as root, I should be able to connect to my localhost. And yeah, that's it. So now we have a console. What I want to do is to go ahead and spin up my CentOS virtual machine. And after spinning it up, I would like to add this machine. So here I click on the add server and I go to the manually part, and I would like to copy the link for the 64-bit agent. And once my CentOS machine is there, I can SSH into it, and I would like to edit the etc hosts. And here, what I want to do is to add the 192.168. Not like this, but rather an alias. So teleport.example.com, tele.example.com. And now I can use the yum install wget. So once the wget is installed, I should be able to download from here with the wget the .gz file. And what I have to do after that is the following. I will have to start the agent, and for whatever reason I'm starting Adobe Lightroom, but anyway, this command is not going to work, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, no, skip this time. So it was downloaded. Let's use the xfvz teleport, and if we navigate to the folder, here we have the teleport executable. So we will use the teleport start roles equals node out server equals https tele.example.com, and the token is going to come from our browser here. So this is basically the token that we can use, and if we paste it, as you can see, it is working now. So if I go back to my Fedora 32 machine, oh no, I don't want it. what I will see here, if I close this, is that my CentOS machine has arrived. And if I go with root, it says no root to host. Hold on. So systemctl stop firewall D. Let's go back. And yeah, let's use the Reaper Pi at 192.168.56.2.22. And it's still not working. So let's go back here and start it once again. So here in this folder, under the var lib we have the host UID and so on. So let's start it. And let's go back here. And now, once the firewall is done, we are able to connect. And I can go ahead and connect as Reaper Pi as well. So basically, this is how you could get started with Teleport and the Linux agent. And we will see how we can add an application, how we can add Kubernetes, databases, and Windows desktops. So that was all for now. See you in the next one.